Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am going to unbox this interactive, smart robot. This interactive, smart robot comes with a touch sensor, voice control, and speech recognition. It can sing, dance, repeat what you say, and record your voice. Guys, let's start unboxing. Please watch this video till the end. This interactive, smart robot is super easy to operate. This interactive, smart robot is a perfect gift, for example, for a birthday and New Year. This robot is so smart. It can understand your voice command, respond to you, and act accordingly. This user manual shows you how to properly and effectively operate this interactive robot. And it contains easy to understand illustrations. And it is in English. This interactive, smart robot is made of plastic, ABS material. This robot has a small size that allows you to take it almost anywhere. This robot has LED eyes, can speak the robot language, and repeat everything you say. It can record your voice, repeat what you said, sing, and dance. This robot can be voice and touch controlled. This robot can go forward, go back, turn left, turn right, and 360-degree spin. This robot is really smart. It does everything stated in the instruction manual. At the bottom of this robot, you can find the batteries compartment and the on or off switch. Guys, I will show you now, step by step, how to install batteries and use this interactive, smart robot. This robot is battery powered. You will need 3 1.5 AAA batteries. When you install the batteries, ensure that the battery's positive and negative is directed at the bottom shell mark, and ensure proper installation. You will need to use a screwdriver to loosen or tighten the screw. Guys, let's now test this interactive, smart robot. Are you ready? Go back.
Yes.
Come here.
Yes.
Turn left.
Yes.
Turn right.
Yes.
Are you happy? I love you.
I love you too.
Goodbye.
See you.
Can you dance?
No problem.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm bare.